Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. My son turns 14 next week and he's quite an obsessive kind of character. He's been through various obsessive phases recently. He was massively into Rubik's Cubes, then chess, then juggling, and his current thing is memorising the NATO Phonetic Alphabet. Maybe you're familiar with this. It's the Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta kind of thing. At the moment, he's got to the stage where he can reel the whole thing off, just like that, without pausing. If you can reel things off, you can recite them or list them quickly and easily. So maybe you're the kind of person that can reel off all the elements in the periodic table. Or maybe you can reel off the capitals of every country in the world. Perhaps you can reel off the names of every president or every prime minister without even missing a beat. Or maybe if you're someone who's into acting, you might be able to reel off all your lines in a particular play without a moment's hesitation. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use reel off